Hey people, since I always do two videos, this is how AOC Center. Now, if you go down this road, it will take you to this place called Sainikpuri. So, Sainikpuri is one of the most well-known residential areas in Hyderabad. See, it's a nice road there. And now onwards, I've become very bold in terms of recording. Like even if I'm out, I speak loudly because see, it's lots of nice crowd here. So sweet. I have sometimes my channel gets over 15,000 views. Certain videos. So so people like to know what's in Hyderabad. Yeah, thank you. This place is called Stop and Go, and you find the best burgers here. So, so sweet. So, I'm waiting for my order to come, and once it comes, I'll But do try and visit this place. It's called Stop and Go, and it's in one of the most happening places in Hyderabad. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.